Hi class, in this video here I want to walk you through problem number 2 on your homework. Okay, so here's the problem. To predict future enrollment in a school district, 50 households within the precinct were sampled, within the precinct, or the district, excuse me, were sampled, and asked to disclose the number of children under the age of 5 living in the household. Okay, so we have these 50 households here, and they asked them, how many children do you have under the age of 5? And 14 households said I have 0 children under the age of 5. 18 households said I had 1 children under the age of 5. 16 households said I had 2 children under the age of 5. And one household said I had 3 children under the age of 5. And finally, one household said I had 4 children under the age of 5. Okay, so let's compute parts A through C here. So the first thing I want to do is construct a relative frequency distribution of the data. So this right here is a frequency table. What a relative frequency is I want to take these numbers and I want to put them as proportions. So the first thing you have to do is you have to notice that we have, like we said, 50 households. So to find the relative frequency of each of these, you're going to take the corresponding count or frequency for each of these 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and divide it by the total. All right, so let's do that. So for the first group of households that have 0 children under 5, the relative frequency would take 14 divided by 50 and get 0.28. Let's do that for 18 now. We get 0.36. Do this for 16. Get 0.32. Finally, 1 divided by 50 is 0.02. And it's the same for the households that have 4 children under the age of 5. So let's see what we get here. Perfect, we got it. So to find the relative frequency, just take the frequency divided by the total. Next, what percentage of households has 2 children under the age of 5? Well, so 2 children under the age of 5, you would take number of children under the age of 5, which would be 2, so it's 0.32. We're going to change that to a percentage here, and we got it. And next, what percentage of households has 1 or 2 children under the age of 5? Well, so here's 1, here's 2, so you would take 0.36 plus 0.32. And you would get 0.68. So changing that to a percentage, we get 68%. And we got it. All right, class, hope this helped.